plus tan beta. Sec beta plus tan beta is equal to P. Then, then, so that, then, so that sin beta value, sin beta value is equal to, you have to show that it is P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. And I repeat, all these problems are completely related to the basic classes of trigonometry. Okay. Now look at the question and see whether it is which part of the basic it is related, and start doing the solution. Solution is here. The information which is given for us is, it is given for this one is secant beta plus tan beta is equal to, it's a beta not b, is equal to p. Okay. Now look at, we know that we know that trigonometric second identity is sec square. Instead of writing theta, here the angle is beta, sec square beta minus tan square beta. It's the second trigonometric identity. It is equal to 1. Using this information only, it is in the form of a square minus b square. How to write? A plus b, a plus b into a minus b. That is sec beta minus tan beta is equals to 1. But this value, sec beta plus tan beta, is already p. So we write it here is p into sec beta minus tan beta is equals to 1, which means that, which implies that sec beta minus tan beta is equals to, this multiple comes to the denominator, this will become 1 by p. Take this is equation number 1. This one will be taken as second equation. So we have to solve in two cases. Case 1 is we have to add these two values, 1 plus 2. Then in the second case, we have to subtract. So when adding, what happened, you see, sec beta plus tan beta is equal to p. And here, sec beta minus tan beta is equals to 1 by p. We have to add these two values. When adding, these two are cancelled, plus minus. Sec beta plus sec beta is 2 sec beta is equals to, we have to add here p plus 1 by p. 2 times sec beta is equal to, what's LCM? P is the LCM. P into P is P square plus 1. This 2 we can divide that side. I can get it, sec beta value is equals to P square plus 1 by 2p. We assume this is one information. After adding, we are getting this. Adding, we are getting this information. Now we have to subtract. Subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2. Same sec beta minus tan beta is equal to P, and here sec beta minus here plus here minus tan beta is equals to 1 by P. So when subtracting, you have to change their signs. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. And here in the when adding, tan will be cancelled. When subtracting, sec will be cancelled. Hmm. Tan beta plus tan beta is 2 tan beta is equal to, subtracting here is P minus 1 by P. 2 tan beta is equals to, LCM is P here again, that is P square, P into P square minus 1. This 2 will come to the denominator, not 2 here, 2 will not get to 2. Tan beta value is equals to P square minus 1 by 2P. It is one more information we are getting, that is in terms of tan. Now finally we simplify this, you will get your, so that here you see first information is what we have, tan, and then sec. I am dividing this two. Tan beta dividing with sec beta. Tan beta value is P square minus 1 by 2P. See why I am keeping numerator tan beta, because I want the answer is also negative. That's what. This is P square plus 1 by 2P. This 2P cancel. Tan beta we can write it as sin beta divided by cos beta, and sec beta can be written as 1 by cos beta is equals to, we are left with P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. So this cos beta will be cancelled. Sin beta divided by 1 is sin beta only. Finally, we have proved that sin beta value is P square minus 1 by P square plus 1, which is end of this problem, and it's very important, very interesting problem. Okay, 1 second, I'm getting the call. Okay, we'll go for next question. For that, I'll take the next page again. The question is, if cosecant A is equals to root of 2, then then find the value of find the value of 2 sin square A plus 3 cot square A divided by 4 times tan square A minus cos square A. This is the problem. Come on, see the solution. So secant A value is root 2 here. So one angle, if you know, you can use the one angle and you can easily find out the remaining angle. 1 second. Now look at the solution. One angle, cosecant A value, you know, we can use this information and we convert into another angle, sine value, cot value. Look at given cosecant A is equal to root 2. Cosecant is the reciprocal of what? Tell me. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. It means sine A value, it's reverse. It's 1 by root 2. And we know that yesterday we have shown the concept of Pandit Badri Prasad, opposite by hypotenuse. आप पिछले क्लासेस को रिवाइज कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
This is opposite, this is hypotenuse. आंसर तो नहीं दे रहे हैं आप कभी भी कुछ भी। सिर्फ ऐसा हो रहा है कि फिर मेरी क्लास हो रही है, ऐसा दिख रहा है। This is, we have to draw a triangle. That means right angle triangle and write down their information. They are using information. Okay. This is the triangle we have to take. In this triangle, opposite side we know that is 1. This is opposite side. Hypotenuse is root 2. If you take this is as A, B, it's a right angle triangle, so 90 at B. We don't know this side. We can use the Pythagoras theorem and you can find out this side. What is the Pythagoras theorem? The square of the diagonals is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.
AC square. Yeah.
This is AC value. We know that it is root 2. This is root of 2 whole square is equal to, it's a AB square. AB value we don't know, so let us keep it as it is. AB square we have to keep it as it is. Plus BC square. BC square is 1 square. This is root of, in a square will be cancelled 2 only. 2 we can, 1 we can subtract here, becomes 1 is equal to AB square. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and square also we bring that side. AB is equal to root of 1 is 1 only. It means that this value is 1. Means this is called opposite side. If you talk about this angle with respect to this angle theta, this becomes hypotenuse and this is opposite side. So opposite side is not unknown here, it is 1. So once if you got all the sides of the trigonometry, any value it is required, we can find out. Sine is already over. Find out cot. Before moving to the cot, we find out tan. Before moving to the tan, we can go for cos. Everything is related to each other. Cos A. cos A is equal to, according to the formula, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So we got as adjacent side as 1 by hypotenuse is again root 2. Hmm. Class sorry, but next cos value is also over. Next we can go for tan. Tan A. Tan A is equals to sin A by cos A. This is sin A by cos A. This is equal to sin A value is 1 by root 2. We got it. Divided by even cos A value is also 1 by root 2. So completely cancel it. Similarly, we say that tan A is equals to simple 1. If tan A is 1, this tan A we got it. Only one value is left, that is cot A. Cot is the reverse of tan, so reverse of 1 is 1 again. After getting all the values, we simply substitute here. So we can easily find out the value of 2 into sin square A, 2 into sin square A plus 3 into cot square A divided by 4 times into tan square A minus cos square A. Now substitute their value 2 as it is. Sin square A. Sin A value is this one here, 1 by root 2. We make it a square. 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 into cot square A. Cot value is already 1, so square it. Divided by 4 times. 4 is there in the bracket, we have to open. Tan square is again 1 square minus cos square is 1 by root of 2 whole square. Now simplify. 2 into square will go for numerator, square will go for denominator, root and square cancel, plus 3 into 1 square is 1 only, divided by 4 times 1 square is 1 minus numerator square, denominator square 1 by 2. This 2 and 2 must be cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 में से half निकालना है, half only. 4 and 4 cancel. 1 divided by 1 by 2. If you take the reverse, you will get 2 only. That's the answer. So the answer of this problem is 2. Value of this is 2. Trigonometry we can finish it today. Okay. Next class we will see next topic. You have very less time. That's what I am maximum. Yesterday night also 11, around 11. I sent a message that I am ready for the class, but you have not replied. I am waiting. I am waited for nearly half an hour. Today also from 10 o'clock again I am waiting. No response from your side and no response from your cousin sister. So already maximum my time is wasted. Next question is, you have to prove that. What's your name of the cousin sister? What is the name?
Nakia.
Nafsia. This 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equals to, you have to prove that answer is sec theta minus tan theta. Solution. LHS we have to take and we have to show that it is equal to RHS. Left hand side we take. So left hand side value is the root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So whenever you have a situation like this and you want to take the simplification under the root, then you have to rationalize the numerator. Here, your choice, you can either rationalize the numerator or you can rationalize the denominator. But I want to rationalize the denominator. Denominator here is 1 plus sine theta. So rationalizing factor is 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta. Or you can say we are multiplying dividing with 1 minus sine theta. यहाँ पे अपन मैं मेंशन कर देता हूँ rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. This is under the root of, you can see numerator 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So we say that 1 minus sine theta square whole square divided by 1 plus sine theta, a plus b into a minus. You know the what? A square is 1 square, 1 only, minus sine square theta. All this information under the root only. Now I want to split the root. Splitting the root for numerator, 1 minus sine theta whole square. Splitting the numerator for numerator, and the root will be goes to the denominator again. 1 square is 1 only, 1 minus sine square theta. Now look at this square and root will be cancelled. Here we are left with 1 minus sine theta. This is 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So under the root of cos square theta, root and square cancel again. What is left of 1 minus sine theta by cos theta by cos theta. So splitting the term 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta is one term, minus sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Again 1 by cos is equal to 6 theta minus tan theta, which is our required answer. That is right answer. So therefore say that LHS is equal to RHS. The end of this problem. Trigonometry will become easy if and only if you know the formula. There is only one condition for the trigonometry is if you know the formulas, you can do the problem. If you don't know the formulas, this is becomes a horror movie. That's what practice the problems. Then you can easily understand the concept. If the concept is clear, you can do the problems very easy. Let us do it one more question. So question is if tan theta is equal to 5 by 12, find all trigonometric ratios. So one angle is there. You have to find out remaining all. Now the solution is tan theta is equals to 5 by 12. What do you mean by tan? Which side is this? This is adjacent side. Tan theta, no? Opposite, yeah, not adjacent, it is opposite. Tan theta is sine by cos. Opposite, yes, opposite side. This is opposite side and this is adjacent side. It means this is opposite side. Opposite side is 5 here. Adjacent side is 12. You have to draw a rectangle, a right angle triangle figure. In that figure, you have to see where is opposite and where is adjacent. See this figure. Adjacent side is 12. Hmm. Opposite side is 5. Adjacent side is 12. We don't know hypotenuse. Again, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem and find out hypotenuse side. This Pythagoras theorem is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square we don't know, so let us keep it as it is equal to AB square. AB square value is 12. 12 square plus BC square value. BC value is 5. So square it. And we know that 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25. Now add these two values, you will get 169. So AC square is equal to 169. Then a square will go that side, becomes root. AC is equal to root of 169 and it is equal to root of 169 is equal to 13. So we know that this value also we got it as 13. All ratios we have to find out. Let us find out one by one. Starting with sin A. Sin theta. What is the sin theta value? Opposite by hypotenuse. So 5 by 13. Cos theta value. आपकी तरफ से कुछ तो भी आंसर आता. Cos theta value is adjacent by hypotenuse. That is 12 by 13. Tan theta value is already there, 5 by 12. Now you can see reverse cosecant theta if you want to find out. It's just a reverse of this sin theta, 13 by 5. Sec theta is just the reverse of cos theta, reciprocal. This is 13 by 12. 13 by 12. Tan theta value is, cot theta is the reverse of tan theta. This is 12 by 5. So all the trigonometric ratios are over. This is the way to find out the trigonometric ratios. If one angle you know, we can easily find out the remaining angles. This type of question definitely you will get in exam. All maximum questions I'm trying to cover. Okay. This is all about trigonometry. Trigonometry is maximum we have completed. Next class, whenever we have, we can go for differentiation concept derivatives. I'll give you the list of formulas Again, you have to memorize the formulas and practice accordingly. You can go for the next chapter. We can see in the next class. Okay. I'll end up this meeting. You are you are free next tomorrow also, no? Hello.
Hello. Sorry.
Tomorrow also you are free now. We'll schedule the class tomorrow also daytime.
Okay.